Quick installation. Please read the user manual carefully before use. Please remove all protective film before use. Align the holes to install the side brush. Before installing the docking station, please reserve sufficient space. Install the ramp plate. Remove the clean and dirty water tanks. Add cleaning solution. Fill the clean water tank. Reinstall the tanks into the base station. Insert the power adapter. Please watch the next video. Connect to app.